Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka samla Aishwariya Malang na kli yong riang Juwai kan sayo ban Mihkhmat ya gajila ha ka Miss Teen Diva Pageant ka balong ka thong ha ka jing imjong ka. Habakran shikilat patai kubor ha Shillong Press Club ka Aishwariya ka loong baga jing kershan baga jing aimen siem ki kimi ki kpa kala penong ya ka banang shlur shu bandrung shigani ka kam ya kop thei bhabrio. Kala ya thu baningkong ka don ka jing arta tien bandrung shigani ka jing kop Hende kik migi kpa kila penslur yaka baka nebet yaka ei ka baka kwa bat pentikna bakin kershan yaka. Kalaong baka jing shimbenta habun tili ki jing yakop kala nang penslur bat penskhem yaka baka nang penbaha yaka jing long jongka bat banang slur habayeng hakirinsan. Lingba kini ki jing yakop baka layo ban shimbenta ka sala ban yakop hakikerdan hakari dak baong baka jing shimpang jongka kala no senyang shibun haka jing im jongka shimet bat hakakam. Ka Aishwariya kala pensluru iki weipat ki samla ki badan ka jing thrang bandrung hakani ka kam bakin nget halade bat bande ek jing anglut jongki da ka jing ai tilut kala ongru baka jing kershan na yeng ka dei ka bakong santam banyo ek jing job bat kintu ki kmiki kpa bakin kershan ek jing kwa ki khun jongki ka Aishwariya kala pan ka jing kershan ki pat ba ka jila bat kan salit ban Mihkhmat ek jila ha ka grand finale jong ka Miss Teen Diva Arjar Arpundeu ke Bandong Jaipur haka khatway tarik naitung hado khat khandai tarik naitung Arjar Arpundeu bat kalapen pau ke jingkermen bakan sawanra khusnam ru shakajila.
Good afternoon. First of all, on behalf of our family, we thank you for each media who are present here. We are very grateful for you for being here and for being here regarding Aishwariya Pageant. First of all, I am Aishwariya's uncle, and I think it would be nice if we had a little bit of introduction from her side, hear about her journey a little bit. So, ask Aishwariya to introduce herself.
My name is Aishwariya Malang, and I'm a finalist of Miss Teen Diva, and I've been selected to represent Meghalaya in the national stage. I'm from Juwai, Kleongrian. The locality name is Kleongrian. The competition will be held on July from the 18th till the 19th. And fashion shows, modeling, and after that I started competing in pageants when I was 14 years old, which is the Miss Joy Teenager pageant. And later I started joining the Miss Champion Queen in 2024 when I was 16 years old, and now currently I'm preparing for the Miss Teen Diva pageant, which is the national pageant.
When this
It will be held in Jaipur from the 11th to the 19th, and the finale is going to be on the 19th. I faced many setbacks, but with the support from my families and my academic pressures, I had to stop pageantries for a while when I was in class 11 and 12. I completely stopped competing in pageants, and also for my while I was preparing for my NEET examinations. While I was in Chennai back then, I stopped competing in pageants, and then I pursued to continue to chase my dreams as I want to become a doctor. Thank you. First time that I'm going to compete in pageant.
How confident are you that you got at this time?
I'm fine. I'm ready to compete because I've prepared. I've worked really hard for this pageant. I've worked like a month. I've been preparing for a whole month. I've been practicing and then checking up on everything. Mentor, she's Irene ma'am. I go to training.
What are you expecting?
I think I would really want to win. I would really want to make our state, Meghalaya, proud. Most probably will be 39 of us from different states. The finale, I think three rounds would be there. And before that, we will have the prelims, we'll have the shoots, galas, dinners, and so much more. So, my designer, which is Comrade Polite, he was like, I think you should start modeling. So then I started working for him as in like ramp walk shows and all those stuffs. And then later, from somewhere, some message came that there's this pageant, like the first pageant in July, that is the Miss July Teenager pageant. And then my parents were like, yeah, go for it, we will support you, do anything that you like. We will support you. So then after that, I started competing in pageants, and then I started learning that I can do this. I'm ready for it. I can go for a national stage as well. So here I am today. This press conference is that I want your support. Kwa ay gichikar chan kiyong sir manupoy por vote lini ka emi por jing kan kiyong I kwa ay gichikar chan kiyong sir tangen aw to ina okina. Kwa pan ba believe in yourself that kay ba go for it. As long as you have your family support, go for it, because you will reach where you want to be. You are going to reach the top. Pan support na baro kibriyo umjo na mga represent niya ka state Meghalaya ni baro ko bay tanga ko aba pinailang niya nga yung support ki Jopi. I-support pa niya hakad like anything that I want to do. Tangba ki ang pa focus on your career as well. Namar pa later in the future ngamit tamo na kaniye like I have to have a successful career. The ki ang ba do what you love. Tangba like let pa niya ka career. Go chase your dreams.
Very active when it comes to singing. When she was still young, singing, dancing, she loved the stage, and the stage is basically her best friend, and we could see that. So it was in the year 2000, like she said, it was in the year 2022 that she first competed in the district pageant at the age of a very young age of 14, and it's called Miss Teen Joy, and then she won the pageant, and again she competed in the year 2024 for Miss Jaipur, in which she won the pageant again. I remember this year she told me that she really wanted to compete for Miss Teen Meghalaya, which was held just a few months ago, but she was not able to compete in that pageant because the date was there was a clash of date between her UG and the pageant. So I remember she worked hard, and she always believed that maybe the next better opportunity will come for her. And after her exams, she saw online that there's an audition going on for Miss Teen Diva, which is the biggest teen pageant in India right now. And I remember she came to us, and she was asking all of her family members who were there, and she was saying, "Can I compete in this? Can I be in this?" Then we were thinking it's a national pageant, it's no more a state pageant, it's a huge responsibility. So we thought, okay, in our family, we like she said, we prioritize education, that's one thing, but we also never clip the wings of our children who want to change their dream. That's what we wanted to do. We always want to give them opportunities and dream. Therefore, we didn't stop Aishwariya. We let Aishwariya audition, and then finally she got a mail. She got a mail after vigorous audition among hundreds and hundreds of girls across India. She was selected as one of the finalists. And then after she got selected as a finalist, we know that there's a lot of responsibility, and she had to prepare a lot. So she had to go through a lot of training, be it in terms of her work, be it in terms of her speaking skills, communication skills, be it in terms of the way she walked, the way she presented herself. It's a lot of responsibility, and I'm glad seeing that as her uncle, where she is now. And that's why I said, go ahead and do it. And I would request the people of Meghalaya to support young talents, especially the Aishwariya at a very young age. It's very important for these kids to grow with confidence and to have the skills of leadership. I think it's very important that we support them. She's not going to represent herself, not only herself, she's going to represent Joy, she's going to represent Jaipur Hills, she's going to represent the whole state as well and make us proud in the national stage. So